Oh, Chumley, you got the sniffles today, huh? God bless you. You got another one in there? Any more sneezes? So funny. Oh, Chum, you're so cute. I'm sorry. Let me get you tissue.